So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is really early in the morning on New Year's Day, and it's only one place to go on New Year's Day, and that's the classic car show in Brooklands Museum. Unfortunately, my Skyline still isn't ready, so it's going to have to be this dirty daily diesel. But not to worry, we've got Alfie with us, who's going to be judging all of the cars today. So let's go and have some fun in Brooklands Museum on New Year's Day. Oh my god, car's beeping at me already. 2 beeping sounds. We are here, Brooklands Museum, and there's already some really nice cars. I don't know what's that in front of us. Triumph. Then we've got a Porsche 911 in front of that. And really, in a real far distance, I can see a Jaguar E Type. So we have arrived. Let's go and have a look. Who's just turned up in his Fiat Uno. Hello Andy.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, good, good.
You're the only Fiat Uno here.
I know. Shame that.
But I've just noticed something. That's not your number plate. Oh dear. Cheating to get in. That's oh dear. How was it in traffic anyway?
Doesn't like it very much.
How long have you been in this traffic for?
45 minutes, nearly an hour.
45 minutes?
Yeah.
It seems kind of cool though still,
Yeah,
on the
still alright, yeah.
gauges. So what are you going to do next? When's it going to get mapped?
February, March time.
Yeah, because you just put the turbo in this.
Yeah.
So you're going to drive it like this, I take it.
Move it around.
Okay.
No turbo.
No turbo.
No turbo.
Uno Turbo with no turbo. Well, actually what happened was his turbo blew up, and he's actually got it hybrid and new fresh internals on it, and we've actually just put it in. So he's quite lucky to be able to make it in here. One, it's an M-Reg, I'm not sure if you're allowed them in here, and two, it wasn't driving a couple of days ago. And what else we got here? We got like, oh my god, an E30 M3 with some amazing lights at the front, looking really good. Answer. He's in a hurry, he wants to go down there for some reason. Oh right, okay, makes sense. Hold on. That's not allowed in either, but never mind. Nice Porsche 911. The GT3 spoiler, I think. Look at that. Wicked. What else we got? Oh dear. Don't see that every day. Muscle car and a Hillman. That's a beauty, look at that. just look how many cars there are, it's just ridiculous. We're going to try and go around all of them, but we'll just pick our highlights. So Jaguar E Type, what do we rate this, Alfie?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? So why is that then?
Because it's the most iconic car here.
Oh, wow. And it is. So, Alfie, what do you think of this? Out of 10?
About 4.
A 4?
No, 6. No,
A 6 or a 4?
6.
Okay, why a 6?
It looks fast.
It is fast. Well, it used to be fast for its time. This is actually a 205 1.9 GTI. That's in really good condition. Have a look inside as well. Those seats, half leather, really nice, like it's brand spanking new. Love it. So we'll say 6. So many ridiculous cars here. It's unbelievable actually, thinking that none of these people got hangovers, because it is actually the 1st of Jan today and it's New Year's Day and everyone was drinking last night. But as you can see, all around here there's a ridiculous amount of people, ridiculous amount of nice, beautiful cars.
I'm gonna rate this car a 8 out of 10.
Why is that then?
Because it's the nice colour. I like the colour.
Yeah.
It's an American car.
Yeah.
It's quite old, if you like, and
Yeah.
then it's very low down.
So how you doing, Andy?
All good, thank you very much.
How are you feeling?
Tired.
It's not really the best day, is it, really, to go out on a car show just after New Year, but
like 2 a.m. in the morning last night. No drinking.
I didn't drink last night either,
No, I
because I
drove.
really wanted to come here.
Just knackered.
But it is looking good.
Scary,
It is. Have you seen any cars yet that you
though.
like?
I've seen a red BMW old 3 Series.
Oh yes, I
No,
saw
old
that.
5 Series just behind me. You see it come in, that red one?
Yes. It's amazing.
I don't like BMWs, but that is a quality BMW.
Right down there, there's actually a 2000
Turbo, yeah.
Yeah.
Not massively big. But yeah, see that red one I saw come in, I thought, oh, that was nice. I don't mind that.
Where do you reckon it is now? Do you want to go and find it with me?
It was in the left-hand lane, so I'm probably going to guess it's where Chunk is over there. You know, Richard Newton?
Yeah, I saw him.
I think he's over there on that left-hand side by that hangar, so I'm probably going to guess it's over there. Because
Right.
that car there, see that white American car there, that Chevrolet, the yellow Mustang?
Yeah.
I was behind them. I was behind them in the queue. I went round. I came round,
Yeah.
and that's where I would have been over there. I still wouldn't been in. They've only just got in.
Yeah?
They've only just got in about, what, 5 minutes ago? So that would have been over an hour to get in.
Oh dear. Well, do you want to come and have a look with me?
Yeah, we'll come around and have a look. Get him out.
Come on then.
Like a Subaru engine, but like it's 12 cylinders.
What, this car?
Yeah, that is, yeah. The engine is, yeah.
So it's like a boxer engine.
Yeah, it is, yeah, basically, yeah. But it's got 12 cylinders, so it's 6. One side, 6.
Is this the only car they put that in?
Yeah.
Crazy. I swear it's only got one wing mirror usually though. I don't know why it's got 2.
Maybe. It's a Lamborghini Urraco or something.
It is a Lamborghini, yeah.
It's what James May had, didn't he, the old Top Gear?
Isn't that a Bora? Yeah, didn't he have a Bora?
No, he had this, didn't he? He don't want to keep that supercar thing on Top Gear, didn't he? And his electrics kept failing.
These back then, I think they were like 30 grand. I don't know what they are now.
Well, that's 30 grand's a lot back then.
I guess it was, yeah.
Probably still worth a lot of money.
What's this over here?
Yeah, I saw that come in. It's a Toyota something.
Toyota something.
I saw it come in. It's well nice.
Twin cam, 24 litre. No, 24 valve, 3 litre. That's quite nice. Do you reckon that's on bags?
Yeah. Oh, it's like a cruiser, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you reckon that's a real one?
What's that?
This one here?
A real what?
A real Porsche?
Yeah, it is, yeah. I think our car's got a lot of tension again.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Stop behind the Land Rovers.
Everyone looking at it, trying to probably steal it, mate.
Good luck.
These aren't real, these are kit cars, I'm sure.
No, they are.
Yeah?
They're the first ones, the first Porsches. Well, not the first, yeah.
Speedster.
Yeah, the first one.
That is nice.
Okay, yeah.
240Z.
That's nice. Could do a bit of tidying up, really.
Yeah, it could actually.
Just needs a bit of loving, doesn't it?
It does. Inside, engine bay's really nice.
It's all original. All original.
Thing is, if I had one of these, I'd put like an RB26 or RB25 in it.
Yeah. Richard Newton's got one, hasn't he? He's got a white one, hasn't he?
He does.
Mental, that.
Yeah, I'm surprised he didn't bring it actually today.
No, he loves it. He loves his estate, doesn't he? Because it's only like 2 in the country or something, isn't it?
What is it? It's an R31.
It's a
We'll have a look
Skyline
at it in a
estate, isn't
minute.
it?
Skyline estate.
It is. It's a Skyline, isn't it? But it's only like 1 of 2 in the country or something.
Look at these planes, crazy. Look at this though.
Splitty.
40 grand for that. Crazy. What do you reckon? How much? 200 grand for this? But it's not a gold wing though, is it?
No, it's not.
It's a convertible version. It's not bad, is it? It's a beautiful car. Beautiful colour. Thing is with these, yeah, they're really rare.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see loads of them every time I go to the classic sale.
Yeah, I know. There's always one there.
And I'm kind of bored of them, in a way.
I know what you mean.
You know, would I own one? They're too expensive. They're like £100,000. They don't drive very well.
There doesn't seem to be any scrap ones, does there?
And there's no scrap
Oh, yeah,
ones.
all the ones that have been bought and all the ones that are still around.
And they're mint, and they're absolutely mint, and they're like ridiculous amount of money. And yeah, it's a nice car, obviously, but there's so many more cars you can get for the money.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's just what the person wants, though, isn't it?
I guess so. And that reminds me. So, your car is worth quite a lot of money.
Yeah.
Have you ever thought about selling it up and trying to get a different car? What car would you get if you sold up?
Anyone I sold up here, Escort RS Cosworth.
Really?
Yeah.
But they're like 50 grand.
I know they are.
It is a great car, actually. It is a great car, but they're too expensive as well now. Would you spend 50 grand on it?
If I had a lot of money, then yes.
There you go then.
It's just my boyhood car, isn't it?
It is.
When I was younger, when I was 18, when you're 18, that was the boyhood car, wasn't it, to have? A proper turboed up car, wasn't it?
What's that? So you a Ford guy at heart then?
I like a Ford, yeah.
So what, Ford over a Jap car?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that, that's nice. Oh yeah. How's he get to go right in the centre, in the best spot?
A few of these I see as well. Lancia, is it
Yeah, there's a really nice one comes to our show.
Is it
red? That one's not as
Flavia,
nice.
yeah.
Oh, look at that. I know it's not a classic car, but I definitely have one of them. No, that's the Tuscan. That's
Oh, is it? Is that the 350C?
Yes. Or T.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not the one that's got side exit. What's it? It's a Cigaris.
Cigaris.
The
That's
Cigaris.
it, yeah,
The Cigaris has it.
Yeah.
Has a side exit exhaust.
The Richard Newton car there.
Oh yeah, Richard Newton's car. So, what do you rate this car?
I rate this car a 10 out of 10
10 out of 10. Why is that then?
because it's an old Skyline,
Yeah.
one of those fast family cars.
Oh, what the hell is that?
What is that? Wow. Look at that. Well, actually, look at that.
I rate this car 10 out of 10.
Why is that?
Because it's in the Back to the Future film. I love that film.
Yeah.
And it's,
Got gull-wing doors, I guess.
yeah.
These aren't very fast though, Alfie,
I know.
but they are very rare and very beautiful. Well, rare in this country anyway. You should have kept yours.
Yeah. Don't like the wheels on it, eh?
No, the wheels aren't very nice. The standard wheels are the nicest.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, 20 valve, 5-cylinder turbo.
Yeah.
I don't know what you could have got out of
You can
it.
get 450. Some people got 450 horsepower.
What, out of a standard block?
Yeah, most of the time, yeah.
Ridiculous. And they're beautiful as well.
I think they are.
You should. I would get one of these.
The shape is like it's an old shape, but it hasn't looked out of place. It doesn't look out of place even from today.
No, it
It's
doesn't.
It's a modern car, isn't it?
It is.
It'll always be a modern car. It's never going to be a classic. You're not going to look at it and go, "Oh, look at that classic car." It's not, is it?
I don't know.
It will never be. But the thing is, in 10 years' time, it will still look the same. But it will still blend in with cars today.
Do you think?
It still will, yeah. It will still blend in with the new cars today. Yeah, yeah.
I had a mint green one of these, yeah. Guess how much I bought mine for?
Probably about 50 quid.
150 quid.
Yeah.
And now what, they're worth 5 grand?
Yeah.
First car was a you saw that as well. It was a Rover.
Yeah, was it a Rover 214 or something?
Yes, it was.
Jesus.
A red one. It was
red
limited
one.
edition. It was limited edition.
Yeah,
Because
I
it
remember
had a GTI kit as standard
Yeah.
from the factory, but it had a 1.4 engine.
That's it, yeah.
Then I had I smashed that after 2 weeks, and then I was into my Fords. I had a Ford Escort.
Yeah. I think it's something after that as well. I think it was like a Metro, maybe, was it?
No, it was a Mini.
Mini.
A Mini
That's it,
Cooper.
yeah. I knew it was something small.
Yeah, which was unbelievable.
Mini.
And then
I remember the Mini.
then I had that horrible Fiat Bravo.
Bravo, yeah, I remember that one. Come on, delivered pizza in it.
Yeah. And
I can't remember that car you had after that. I don't think it was the Hyundai.
oh, had an AXGT. Citroen
Yeah, I
AXGT.
remember the AXGT. Wow.
That's still today, even though I know.
If you had that,
I
you
know
could have
it's
brought that
like-
in today. Not been the only one here.
It would have been only one here,
Yeah.
and yeah, well, deer hit that, but yeah, it would have been
AXGT.
worth like 10 grand.
Oh yeah, it would be easy up there.
That's the thing. So like my last car was a GT4. So like when it was raining, it drove just like it was in the
That's what I
drive.
mean, yeah.
So I could drive that. But now I've got a rear-wheel drive car.
It's not fun
Like-
in the wet. Unless you're like,
It's not fun in the wet.
Unless you like
It's not.
sliding it about and all this
It's
stuff,
not.
maybe being dangerous, then that's fair enough. But like I say, with mine, it's no fun. As soon as it rains, you put your foot down, you spin up everywhere.
So yeah. So this is actually going to be the first car that I don't take out in the winter. And I'll probably copy you as well. So this year, I think it's a 30
Yeah, you go
actually, or it might be a 31. Actually, it is a 31. With these, they didn't actually make a GTR version.
No, they didn't.
This is a GTSX.
Oh, I am. Just be
Don't know what
careful.
the X means. X probably means it's four-wheel drive. But
I don't think
yeah,
they were. I'm not 100% on that.
it's a GTSX. I don't know what
The best
the
man
X
to
is.
speak to is fucking Richard.
We'll probably get Richard and ask him.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean it's a beautiful car.
It is.
But this is basically what my car is. So my car's a GTT.
That's it.
So this is basically
This is the base, or this is where
this
it
is
started.
this is where it started from. Yeah. But yeah, what does it say here? It says R31 house.
I know.
7th Skyline Pro Shop.
Oh, it is a 31,
Yeah, it is a 31, yeah.
So go and look.
Have a look.
So go and look.
It's a beautiful car. Nice wheels. But yeah, this is basically my car in the 80s. That's what it would have looked like. Pretty special. It's not always about GTRs.
That's what people think, man. Like 10 years' time.
See, that's the thing. That's the thing with my car, though.
My missus was one of them.
Well, one of these, they're horrible.
Do you know, my missus could have bought
C2,
one.
innit?
They were £700.
Was it?
And now, do you know how much they're worth? 10 grand.
No.
Yeah,
Someone would pay 10 grand for
When I
this.
met, because when I first got with her, these were going about £1,000 roughly.
Yeah.
But when she was looking at them when she first started driving, about 700 quid. And I was like, oh, why didn't you buy one? I said, if you look at the prices now, like 10 grand.
So we're going to leave the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We've actually got a show here on the 25th of May. Links down below. Have a look. It's a variety show, so actually any car can come. And if you've got a Jap car, it's probably going to be the only time that you'll be able to bring it into Brooklands Museum. So make sure you come down and see it. It's just entrance tickets, and I will see you later.